back to Let's Talk AI. In today's episode, we're talking about something that's starting to get a lot of attention in the AI world, something called MCP, or Model Context Protocol. Now, if that sounds like a complicated term, don't worry. We're going to take it slow and make it super easy to understand. So let's start with this. Imagine you're talking to an AI assistant, maybe something like ChatGPT. Right now, most AI models work like this. You type something, it reads what you wrote, and gives you a response. Simple. But what if the assistant could also look at some of your documents, check your calendar, understand your past conversations, or maybe even talk to other apps on your computer to help you out better? That's the kind of thing MCP is designed to help with. It's a way for developers, the people building these AI tools, to give the AI more helpful information while it's running. So instead of just reacting to what you typed, the AI can look at other things to give a smarter answer. Let's take a real-world example. Say you're running a small business and you want an AI assistant to help you answer customer support emails. With the usual setup, the AI only sees the email that was sent in. It doesn't know anything about who the customer is, what they've ordered, or what problems they've had in the past. But with something like MCP, the AI can be connected to your customer database, your past email threads, or your help center articles, and it can pull in that information on the spot. So when it reads the email, it also knows, oh, this customer ordered a phone case last week and already opened a support ticket. That's way more helpful, right? MCP is just the name for how developers organize and deliver that extra information to the AI. It's like saying, here's the stuff you need to know to do your job better, and here's how to read and understand it. Another example, let's say you're writing code and using an AI assistant to help. Normally, the AI only sees the one file you're editing. But with MCP-style systems, the AI could also look at other parts of your project, maybe your documentation or some related files, and give better suggestions because it has more of the full picture. So if MCP is so useful, how is it being used today? Well, some tools are already doing similar things. There's an open source project called LangGraph that helps developers build AI workflows where each step remembers what's happened before. Then there's CrewAI, where you can create multiple AI agents that work together, like a team, and each one can access different kinds of information, depending on its job. Even bigger companies like OpenAI have started using pieces of this idea. You might have heard about things like function calling or tool use in ChatGPT. That's where the AI can use tools or look things up, and it's powered by a very similar idea. Okay, so this all sounds great, but let's talk about why it matters. Right now, most AI tools are kind of limited. They answer questions and generate content, sure, but they don't really know much about your situation unless you tell them everything up front. With MCP, the AI doesn't need a giant prompt or long explanation every time. It can quietly look at what it already has access to, like your files, past activity, or apps, and use that to help you better. That makes the AI feel smarter, more helpful, and honestly, just more useful in real life. But, and this is super important, this kind of access comes with risks. Imagine if you connected your AI assistant to your emails, files, or business data, and it accidentally shared something private in a response. That's a real concern. Or imagine someone tricks the AI into revealing things it shouldn't. That's called a prompt injection attack, and it's a big security issue right now. Also, what if you accidentally gave the AI access to a tool it shouldn't be able to use, like deleting something from your system? That could go really badly, really fast. So while MCP makes AI way more powerful, it also means we have to be really careful about what information we share, who has access, and how the AI is allowed to use it. Developers need to set rules, add security checks, and keep logs of what the AI is doing. And if you're using tools that connect to your data, you should know what's being shared and stored. So here's the bottom line. MCP is like giving your AI helper a set of tools, a memory, and access to the stuff it needs to really help you out, without you having to copy-paste everything into a chat box. It's a big step forward in making AI feel more like a smart assistant, not just a chat window. But just like with any powerful tool, it has to be used responsibly. The more access the AI gets, the more careful we need to be. That's it for today's episode of Let's Talk AI. If this sparked some ideas or gave you a new way to think about how AI works behind the scenes, I'd love to hear what you're curious about next. Until then, stay curious and let's keep talking AI.